Bababo, babo. Badangala wambuba. Bababo, babo. Aniga sidaasan u baga. Bababo, babo. Alabuba badangala. Bababo, babo. Wambuba badangala.
Why are you skinny?
What did you say? Ayo.
Wait. It's your YouTube. Your fans are asking you this.
Oh, I remember. This full-time job made me forget my hobby. DJ fly me back to the studio. Welcome back, refugee gang, to another Q&A. The camp is still alive and kicking. I'm so blessed most of you are still alive. Anyways, let's get to questions. Tum. How to eat a pasta? You first rotate your plate at an angle of 360 degrees. So that the mouse faces you at a right angle. Then we should attack the heat from the center of gravity. Your hands should be parallel to each other. We need this for lubrication to overcome friction in the mouth. In case you're excited. Anyways, we have the artificial gadgets here. Let's go! That is what happens when Basto eats Basto. Anyways, that is how you eat Basto. Learn from the expertise and expertise your life. Lil Basto, I'm one of your biggest fan, but I wanna know why are you always oily in every video or you are blind Salid Ma'asara? I am protecting myself from the evil eye. The oil reflected the evil back to them. Simple physics on display. Feet. Next question. Have you ever met a gold digger? In Somalia, we don't mine gold. Maybe you should ask a South African. They can tell you. But let me ask the public if they know. What's your name?
My name is Idris.
Idris, have you ever met a gold digger in Somalia? يعني Somalia dahabka ma lagu qodaa?
Soomaaliya dahabka niyo waa lagu gadaa laakiin laguma qodo reebaajiyahu.
Do you prefer girls like you? I mean those who are strong and fat. To be on the safe side and avoid domestic violence, she should be exactly as me. I wanted the wind to blow her away. I can't afford us women. Safety is my first slogan. Yo, Somaliland or Somalia, which one do you pick? Tough question. But math can solve everything. Let's cancel out the leg terms. I like my piece of land here. Do you chew khat, aka marqan? Khat is a very nutritious vegetable just like spinach. It is rich in various vitamins like A and B, but it also has vitamin M, which stands for madness. I don't chew khat, but I swallow it. I prefer kapsar. After all, they are all greens. Do a football battle with your cousin. What's up, guys? Me and my cousin are going to do this penalty challenge. The fastest person to score 2 goals wins. Let's go!
Eight, 9, 10.
Todo. 10. 9. 10. Let's go.
Tight. 14. 15.
Eight, 9, 10. How did the beef start with you and your cousin? Once upon a time, I sensed something fishy about him. Then I did what a rational person with brain cells would do. Look through his phone. I scrolled his phone. And guess what I have found? My crush! My one and only crush! I can't believe he betrayed me! Why is my crush in his phone? From this onwards I declared war on him! qof taarku salaada gurigan ma seexanayo
qof tukada ma ka taqaanaa
All way at the center skated hopping on the wheels skating.